Unless you've been living under a digital rock, you know that OpenAI just announced Sora, their new text to video AI generator. What you're seeing on the screen right now is an unedited AI video made with Sora. Pretty amazing. But how do you make money with Sora? Here are 50 ways. And as I go through those ways, I'm going to show you more Sora made AI videos in the background. Enjoy. Number one, you can make custom video creation services. You can offer what's called bespoke video production services for businesses, for individuals looking for unique content that stands out on social media platforms or even for personal use. What's cool is you can tailor videos to specific themes or industries such as travel, education, or any kind of product marketing just from a simple prompt. Number two, you can do educational content packages. You can develop and sell educational content that simplifies complex topics. That could be aimed at schools, tutoring services, or online education platforms, and give them some engaging video material. Number three, you can make money through e commerce product videos. You can create captivating product demonstrations or unboxing videos for e commerce websites. Those videos can significantly boost conversion rates by providing a dynamic view of the products. Number four, you can create stock videos for a stock video marketplace and make money. You can just build a library of generic stock videos created with Sora. You can sell subscriptions or even individual licenses to businesses and creatives needing high quality, unique stock footage without the high production cost. Number five, you can monetize a YouTube channel. You can launch an entire YouTube channel that utilizes videos generated by Sora. This could be in any niche: technology, education, entertainment. You monetize the channel through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. I think you'll see a boon of these types of channels in different niches made with Sora and other text to video generators. Number six, you can create affiliate marketing videos. This could be one of the best ways to make money with Sora. Produce and publish video content for affiliate marketing. So, in essence, what you'll do is create reviews, comparisons, and even how-to videos for products or services, and then you include or embed affiliate links in the video descriptions. You can even create these videos and embed them in a blog post. Digital marketing campaigns would be number seven. Offer video content creation as part of digital marketing packages for brands. So those videos can be used for advertising campaigns, social media content, or to enhance website engagement in general. Number eight, customizable video templates. You can design and sell customizable video templates for various occasions like birthdays, anniversaries, business promotions, and that allows your customers to personalize content without starting from scratch. Number nine, you can create NFT, non fungible token art creation. So you can turn unique videos into digital art pieces and sell them as NFTs. That taps into the market for these kinds of digital collectibles and art. Number 10, you can make money through subscription based content platforms. Launch a subscription service offering exclusive video content on specific subjects or interests. So that's similar to the stock video marketplace, but this is a subscription based and it just caters to specific subjects or interests, maybe in your niche. You can, number 11, make money through event recap videos. So you can provide services to create event recap or highlight videos for conferences, weddings, or sport events, and you can market those to event organizers or directly to the attendees. Number 12, think about how you can make money through virtual real estate tours. You can create immersive video tours for real estate listings. These videos can help real estate agents and homeowners showcase properties in a more engaging way than just static images. And as these generators get better and better and better, you'll be able to feed specific pictures of the house, for example, into the AI generator, and it'll be able to create these videos for you. It might not happen right away, but it's one of the ways to look for making money with these kinds of generators in the future. Number 13, interactive video courses. You can develop comprehensive video courses on various topics. Unlike traditional video courses, using Sora you can add interactive elements, making learning more engaging and personalized. So that's pretty cool. Think about video podcasts. You can produce video versions of popular podcasts, and that can be an additional revenue stream. Number 15, animation services. How cool would that be to offer animations video creation services for clients who might just want or need animated explainer videos, advertisements, or social media content? You can also create some video editing tools, develop and sell plugins or add ons for Sora that enhance its functionality or offers new features. Just like ChatGPT, people created a lot of like third party plugins, extensions to extend the power of ChatGPT or image generators. You can do the same for video. There's a great marketplace for that. Number 17, create localized video content for businesses looking to reach their market or broaden even into international markets. You can also create gaming content. Think about generating video content for the gaming industry, including trailers, gameplay videos, or video game reviews. And then game developers or gaming influencers can use that. Number 19, personalized video messages. You can offer a service that creates a personalized video message for special occasions. That could be really cool and personal. Number 20, crowdfunding campaign videos. You can specialize in creating compelling videos for crowdfunding campaigns. A well made video could significantly impact a campaign's success by effectively conveying the story and the value proposition. 21, fitness and wellness videos. You can produce or wellness video programs such as workout guides, yoga sessions, or meditation exercises. And that can be sold as a part of a subscription model or as individual programs. Think about travel vlogs. You can create travel vlogs or destination guides using Sora. These can be used to promote tourism or by travel influencers to engage their audience without the need for expensive travel or production costs. You probably should travel to those places, but let's say that you forgot your camera stopped working, something happens and you still need a shot, a drone shot or some other picture or video to show a certain location or a certain event that you did at a location, you can use Sora to fill in the gaps. 23, recipe and cooking guides. Think about how you could generate video content for recipe blogs or cooking channels. This includes step by step cooking guides, meal prep tips, and food styling tutorials. I think there's a lot of use that could happen there. Fashion and beauty tutorials. You could also create a video for books or beauty tutorials. Those videos can be used by brands to showcase their products or by influencers to engage with their audience. And then think about it, you could also create whole concepts for video games. That would be, I think, 25, 26. You could do music video production. You can offer music video production services for musicians and bands. With Sora, you would be able to create, at least eventually, visually stunning music videos that complement the artist's music and brand identity. So you can do that for yourself if you're a musician, or you can contract out to musicians who are needing something like that. I think we're at 27. You can do a virtual interior design consultation. So you can create videos showcasing potential interior design changes for clients. You can do DIY and home improvement guides. So you can produce detailed DIY project and home improvement guide videos. That can be simple home repairs to complex renovations. Basically, you're just giving really valuable content to homeowners and DIY. There's also a place, I think, to make some money, language learning videos, to create some videos that are more engaging, that are context rich videos that will help learners like me, because I'm studying French, to understand language nuances and cultural aspects more deeply. So, what about learning French by also seeing videos of Paris or beaches in the southern part of France or in the vineyards? It'd be cool to visit some of the places, at least virtually, while you're learning the language. Pet care and training videos. You could also make money that way. You can create informative videos on pet care, training tips, and health advice for pet owners. You could even just create video content that has to do with animals, and that goes well on almost any part of the internet. YouTube, TikTok, you could create, a whole channel or an account for a virtual cat or a virtual squirrels or bunnies or any kinds of animals that you wanted or some strange combination. What about a unicorn channel? That one might be cool. But you could also offer and make money through legal and financial advice videos. You could produce, for example, explainer videos on legal and financial topics. And for someone like me, that would be very helpful to simplify complex subjects like taxes, estate planning, business law, and investing. There could also be a place to make money with science and technology explainers. You can break down complex science and technology concepts into more understandable and that could be good for students, professionals, enthusiasts, those subjects. Art and craft tutorials. You could offer step by step art and craft product videos. You could even make money with historical documentaries. You can create short documentaries on historical events, figures, or eras, and those can be monetized. You can give video help and support to mental health and mindfulness niches. Think about also children's storytime videos. You can develop animated storytime videos for children. You can bring stories, even ones you create yourself or ones possibly made by AI, to life. You can bring those stories to life with engaging visuals and narration. That could include classic fairy tales or some alterations or versions of classic fairy tales, educational stories, new original content. I think there's so many possibilities. How about creating a virtual art gallery? That might be cool to create and give virtual tours, art galleries, or exhibitions. And you could also do sports analysis and commentary that have video components. I think there's also a big market here to make money with corporate training and onboarding videos. So using Sora, you can offer services like create customized training and onboarding videos for new employees. And that ensures consistent training experiences, which is really good. Doesn't always happen, and you can make some money along the way. You can do virtual event broadcasting. You can also create personalized video gifts for weddings, anniversaries, or other significant milestones. For example, you could create an AI video of somebody's love story and give that to them or offer that as a service at their wedding. You can offer that as a service on Valentine's Day or for any time of the year. You can compile memories, messages from loved ones, and well wishes in a beautifully crafted video montage, for example. Nutrition and healthy eating guides. You can create video content focused on nutrition, healthy eating habits, and meal planning. That can include everything from recipe videos to nutritional advice and diet plans. There's a place to make money for it with environmental education and awareness that has a video component made by Sora. And you can take advantage of like real-time news and analysis by using Sora to quickly produce videos summarizing the latest news on current events, offering analysis or commentary. That not only keeps your audience informed, but also allows you to monetize through ads or brand deals, product placements, affiliate marketing, all the things. You can also do public speaking and presentation training using Sora. We already talked a little bit about cultural and travel documentaries, motivational and inspirational videos. You can generate content designed to motivate and inspire viewers. Think about next level fireplace videos on YouTube or rain sounds. Think about how you can create even more lifelike, realistic, and immersive experiences with Sora. Technology reviews and unboxings. You could do video reviews of the latest gadgets and technology and products or software using simply Sora. The way that you can use this as a creator, as a blogger, as just someone really fascinated with AI as I am, it's kind of limitless. So those are, I think, 50, maybe even 50 plus ways that you can make money with OpenAI's Sora. Leave a comment in the comment section. What are some other ideas you have for making money with Sora, this AI text to video generator? I'm very interested to see where this goes. You'll see another video that comes up right now on the screen. Check that one out. I think you'll really like it. If you haven't already, like and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.